Carver and the Future of Agrarian Reform in the Philippines. The Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Program extension with reforms CARPER is a law in the Philippines that aims to distribute agricultural land to landless farmers and promote rural development. It is an extension of original Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Program (CARP) implemented in 1988. CARPER was enacted in 2009 to address the challenge and shortcomings of CARP. It extended the program until 2014 and introduced reform to make the land distribution process more efficient and equitable. Some of the key provisions of CARPER include land acquisition and distribution. CARPER prioritizes the distribution of agricultural land to qualified beneficiaries. It provides mechanisms for identification, valuation, and distribution of lands to eligible farmers.